So got my yarn delivery from Magic Needle. So let's unbox it. Okay, let's see what we have got. So here we go. Just going to cut here. So here is the yarn. Here is the colors. The beautiful. Let's get them opened up. Lots and lots of tapes here. Good packaging. Secured everything. So let's see what I've got. I've got some white here. Okay. I've got another white here. 3 white. Then I have got vintage peach. Isn't that beautiful color? Love it. Okay, then we have next some tan. Oh my god, it's so rich. Love it. Okay, then we have some stone. Stone. Okay, next we have, this is, okay, skin. This is skin color. Now here comes the pink raspberry. Wow. Then we have pretty pink. I have something to go with this board. Planning to make something beautiful. Wow, this is my favorite so far. It's periwinkle. Wow, I love that. Okay, so we have here Lincoln. I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong. Let me know in the comment section. How is my pronunciation? Oh, I have ivory. Wow. So these two are nice matching ones. Somewhat the same. Now I have 2 more to go. I have this is copper. Okay. And the last, this is gold. I have got a gold. So this is my yarn. Oh, I have got all my DK with, so there will be something fun coming up. So stay tuned. Okay. So we will see something really fun on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay. And see you soon. Bye, friends.